Assalamualaikum, welcome to Pharma Inform, and today we will discuss one of the most important topic of the tablet compression cycle, and the topic name is the weight adjustment stage or the metering stage. After watching this video, you will be able to learn that how the weight of tablet is adjusted during the compression process. Mean you have observed that we simply rotate the knob fitted on the tablet compression machine, or in simple words, we rotate the knob of the weight adjustment on the right side or on the left side to increase or decrease the weight of the tablet during the compression process. Or in advanced type of the compression machines, we just add some values on the HMI of the compression machine and our tablet weight is increased or decreased. So how this weight is increased or decreased? By just rotating the weight adjustment knob on the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, or how the weight of tablet is adjusted during the compression process by just putting the values on the HMI. In this video, we will learn the science behind weight adjustment. This video will be very basic, and if you watch this complete video and learn the concept of weight adjustment, it will be very helpful for you, because many of us are not aware of the fact that how weight is increased or decreased by just rotating the knob or by just putting the values on HMI. So all of the science behind this phenomena will be discussed in this video. And if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button and also visit the playlist of tablet compression to watch the previous videos, because this one is the stage 2 and previously we have discussed the stage 1 of the compression cycle, which was the filling stage. So let's start our main topic, the weight adjustment stage. Weight adjustment stage of the compression cycle is also known as the metering stage, and it is the second stage of the tablet compression process. For a brief overview, there are 4 stages of the tablet compression. First one is the filling, second one is the weight adjustment, third one is the compression, and fourth one is the ejection. So our main topic now is the weight adjustment, how weight of the tablet is adjusted on the compression machine. So let's understand this topic from this rough diagram. This is the hopper of compression machine. Here we have the feeder or feed frame, here we have the dies, and here we have lower punch, and here we have the weight adjustment cam. To understand this concept, you have to remember just few things, and one of the most important thing is the weight adjustment cam, then the position of the lower punch tip, and third one is the tail over die. What is the tail over die? A scraper like structure which is positioned above the die is known as tail over die. What is the role of tail over die in the weight adjustment? We will discuss in this video. So the weight adjustment stage is also known as the metering stage, and weight of the tablet is adjusted by the position of the tip of lower punch in the die cavity. In the process of weight adjustment, excessive powder is removed by the tail over die. What is the tail over die? Here we have discussed the tail over die. So let's understand the science, how this works. We are familiar that in the filling stage, powder is supplied from hopper to the feed frame, and our die cavity is overfilled with the powders or granules. All of this is discussed in the previous video. If you have not watched, the link of video is provided in the description. So at the final stage, in the third housing, when our die is overfilled with the powders or granules, the lower punch passes over the weight adjustment cam. To elaborate it in a clear way, here we have draw a structure to understand the phenomena of weight adjustment. This one is the first position, and we discussed that the tip of lower punch in the die cavity or the position of the tip of the lower punch in the die cavity play an important role to determine the weight of the tablet. Mean here you can see that the tip of the lower punch is just near to the bottom of the die. So here we have a large space of the die cavity to fill the granules. Mean in our first step, the die is overfilled with the powders or granules and our punch is not over the weight adjustment came. Mean when our die is filled with the powders or granules, it is then passed through the third housing, again overfilled, and the end of the third housing of the feed frame, it rides over the weight adjustment cam. You can take the weight adjustment cam as a slope. Mean here is a slope and our punch is at lower position, but when it rides over the slope, the tip of the punch is pushed upward. Mean here was the stage 1 and here is the stage 2. What happens when this punch rides over the weight adjustment came? When this punch rides over the weight adjustment came, the tip of the lower punch will be pushed upward and excessive powder will come out of the die cavity, and this powder will, when strike this tailover die, will be removed from this die. So this is the concept where our weight of the tablet is decreased. Mean when the tip of the punch moves upward, the space in the die cavity is decreased, so it has less amount of the powders or granules, and in this way our tablet weight is decreased. This weight adjustment cam is attached with a weight adjustment controller or weight adjustment knob. You have seen that on the compression machine we have different types of the weight adjustment knobs and pressure adjustment knobs. This one is the for single feed and double feed, mean for the right side, for the left side, for the right side, and for the left side. Two of these controllers are to control the weight and two of these controllers are to adjust the hardness. In this video we are discussing about the weight adjustment. So when you rotate the knob of weight controller on the clockwise or on the anti-clockwise, the weight is increased or decreased. How this is increased or decreased, the science behind this one is that when we rotate the knob of the weight controller on this side, mean in this way anti-clockwise, then our weight adjustment cam is lifted upward, and when cam is adjusted at the height, the slope is increased, and when punch pass over this increased height of the slope, the punch tip will be pushed upward and the extra powders or granules will be removed out of the die cavity. In the opposite or in the other manner, when we want to increase the weight of the tablet, what we do? We just rotate in an other direction, mean in opposite direction, the weight adjustment come down, mean the height of slope is decreased, and when this punch rides over the slope with decreased height, the punch tip go down. Mean here you can see that our punch tip is at this position, but when we decrease the height of the slope of the weight adjustment cam, our punch tip come downward in the die cavity, so it provide more space in the die cavity for the powders or granules, and in this way our filling weight is increased and ultimately the weight of the tablet is also increased. So it was all about the science how weight is adjusted by using or by just rotating the knobs of the weight controllers. It is the basic concept used in all compression machines, and where in advanced compression machines you give feed on the HMI on the compression machine, all the process is same, but instead of having the manual rotating weight adjustment knobs, we have the servo motors installed for lifting upward or downward this weight adjustment cam, and in this way the punch tip either move upward or downward in the die cavity and increase or decrease the space for the filling of powders or granules, and the extra powder or granules are removed or scraped off by this tail over die, and in this way we can simply increase the weight of tablet or decrease the weight of tablet while our compression process is in process. I hope now you are familiar that how we can increase the weight of tablet or how we can decrease the weight of tablet during the tablet compression process. If you like the video, share it to others and subscribe my channel. For brief overview, the weight adjustment is done by the weight adjustment cam and the position of the tip of the lower punch in the die cavity by just rotating the knob on right side or left side. We are just simply increasing the filling space in the die cavity. If we increase the die space, more powder is filled, and if we increase the die space, mean if the punch tip go downward, the die space for filling of powder granules is increased, and if punch tip come upward, we are just decreasing the filling space in the die cavity for the powders or granules, and later on when these powders or granules are compressed, the weight of the tablet is adjusted as per the position of the tip of the lower punch in the die cavity. In our next video, we will discuss that how the tablet is compressed, or we will discuss about the third stage of the tablet compression, which is the compaction or the compression stage. So if you are looking for any job, visit my website thepharmacistjobs.com. You can also visit pharmainform.com for more interesting articles, and do share this video to others, subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.